Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to make bus topology. In our previous video we have done star topology. In case if you missed it, I will give the link in the description, and also I will give the video in the cards. You can check it out. So let's see bus topology. First one, open new file and press on anywhere so that you will get all the components, and go to end devices and select laptop. Similarly, select the 4 laptops as shown in the video. Nowadays, bus topology is used in many of the colleges and schools, etc. And similarly, now select the 4 switches like the previous star topology. We have to select switches and laptops. So now we have to give connection to switches and laptops. So press on any switch and you will find different options. So go to connect option, and then you have to give the destination of the connection. So select the second one, and you can find these switch connections and choose the cable as crossover cable and connect 0 to 0 in switch 0 to switch 1. So the connection will be successful, and go to back by pressing on the star button. Now select the second switch and go to connection and choose the destination as third one, and choose crossover cable as the 0th connection is filled, so connect from first to 0. So similarly do for the another pair of switches. You have to give just the destination. So you can choose the cable, and as the first one is filled by the previous switch, so you have to choose the next one. So like this you have to choose the connections, and for connecting switch to laptop, go to connections and you have to choose the cable as straight through. So as the 0th connection is filled, select 1 to the laptop. You can find on the screen. Similarly do for the other 3 switches. For this one 2 are filled, so go for the next one and connect the laptop. Remember that for connecting switch and laptop you have to choose straight through cable, but for switch to switch you have to choose crossover cable. Remember it. So like this we have given all the connections. Now we have to enter the IP address for all laptops. So press on any laptop and go to desktop, so you can find IPv4 configuration. Enroll the IP address as shown in this video, 192.168.0.1, and for subnet mask all are same, 255.255.255.0. Subnet mask for all the laptops are same, and then save the changes. Similarly do for all the 3 laptops, but you have to change the IP address for other laptops as shown in this video. So friends, we have given all the IP address. So let's check out any example. So select on first laptop and send the message from first one to fourth one. Yes, the message will be sent. For checking the clear scenario, you have to check out that menu and select the scenario option, so you can find whether the program is successful or not. So I am now going to delete all this and I am to show the new one, and press on this timer button to see the simulation clearly. I am now sending the message from laptop 1 to laptop 4. So let's check out the simulation. Press on this play button on the top menu, so you can find this. The message will be sending from first laptop to all the respective switches, and you can find the progress, status of the message. You can see this, it is in progress from laptop 0 to laptop 3. So like this, the message will be sent, and in reverse, the message will be sending from last laptop to the first one laptop. So see this one, and if you get tick mark, then your message will be successful. So see this one, the message is successful. So like this friends, we have to make bus topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming updates. Signing off, team Technician Tech.